Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Snapchat public profile. If you have a Snapstar public profile or a public profile for business, you can revert back to a standard public profile at any time. Keep in mind, if you have a Snapstar or business public profile and you clear your public profile, you'll no longer have the added benefits of Snapstar and business public profiles such as membership roles, category, website, or email. You can clear your public profile or choose not to use it. You can see how your public profile looks to other Snapchatters at any time by tapping Preview inside your public profile. Now, tap your profile or your Bitmoji in the left corner. Then tap My Public Profile. Then select the settings in the right corner. Scroll down and tap Clear Public Profile. And last, tap Clear. Please note, clearing your public profile will not delete your username or Snapchat account. It will permanently remove everything you've added to your public profile, such as your bio, profile photo, public stories, and stories saved to your public profile. Once cleared, the removed content can't be reinstated, but you can start over by adding content to your public profile again. Note that your Spotlight and Snap Map snaps will not be deleted when you clear your public profile. If you want to delete them, you must delete them before or after clearing your public profile by going to the Spotlight and Snap Map section in My Profile. Everything you've added to your public profile will be deleted, such as your bio, profile photo, public stories, and stories saved to your profile. Snaps you've submitted to Spotlight or the Snap Map will remain and won't show your name unless you use your public profile again. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.